Hello everyone, welcome to this session, Introduction to RPA and UiPath. I am Ritu, a data analyst and RPA expert from Cogniture. Before we get started, let's see what we will learn in today's session. We will start by first discussing why do we need RPA. After that, we will see what is RPA. Once we are done with that, we will discuss what are the different tools which are used to implement this technology. After that, we will see how to download and install UiPath Studio. Let's start with our first topic of today's session, which is why do we need RPA? Let's understand this with the help of an example. We have a data entry employee whose daily task is to take data from multiple data sources and combine them into one single file, or an employee sending emails to bunch of contacts at a regular interval of time. So this employee would be doing repetitive tasks every day. It will be pretty exhausting and boring to do such tasks on monthly or yearly basis. What if I say that these kind of regular repetitive tasks can be automated instead? Or what if we can tell our computer to do those same tasks and get those work done? So we are trying to automate these tasks by making use of robots or machine, which can be done with the help of RPA. Now let us move on and see the part where we will understand what exactly RPA is. So RPA is an acronym for Robotic Process Automation. What do these terms mean? Let's understand them one by one. So what is robotic? Robotic is the study of robots where machine can be programmed to imitate the action of human being so that it can perform the complex task and can save human efforts. This is what robotics is. Now let's see what process is. A process is something that involves a series of operations and decisions to perform an activity. Let's understand this with the help of an example. If you have to place an order online, then what you will do? You have to follow the process to place an order. So first you will select the item that you want to purchase, then you will add that item into the cart. After this, you will place order, and finally you will do the payment. All these steps leads to placing an order sequentially. Hence, it becomes a process. So this is what process is about. Now moving toward automation. Automation is a technology by which execution of tasks is performed with minimal human assistance. So when a task processes automatically without any human workforce, this is said to be automated. So now if we combine these terms together, we will come up with robotic process automation. So what is robotic process automation? A robot that imitates human action by accomplishing repetitive tasks automatically without human intervention. It allows automation of the task in exactly the way how a human does. A robot in robotic process automation is not exactly a robot but a software program designed to imitate human action. So this is what RPA means. Now that you have understood the definition of RPA, let's see how we can implement RPA technology in our system. You can implement RPA with the leading tools available in the market. The top leading tools in the markets are Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath. In this course, we will perform automation using UiPath tool. But why we are choosing UiPath from all other leading tools in the market? Let's have a look. If we will go for Blue Prism, it does not have any trial version. And if you want to use Blue Prism, you have to buy Blue Prism, or in case you are willing to purchase Blue Prism, then in that condition, the company will provide you a 15-day trial version. Then moving to another tool, Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere does provide you trial version, but it is only limited for 50 tasks. So if you want to learn and practice RPA, these are not the tools you will go for. Now come to UiPath tool. The UiPath tool provide you with the trial version, that is the community edition, in which you can learn and practice about the tool and can gain expertise. UiPath is among the top tool to learn RPA as it does not require any programming knowledge. It's very simple to use. You just have to drag and drop the functionality to set the solution of your problem. Once you become expert, you can go to the UiPath Pro Edition and implement it at a business level. Now let's discuss how to download and install UiPath. For this, you have to go to the link www.uipath.com. After that, Click on UiPath Community Edition under Developer tab. You will get this page. Scroll down and click on this Get Community Edition button. Once you click on this button, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see UiPath have given two editions, Community and Enterprise. Community edition is available free for practice and Enterprise edition is available to use free with 60-day trial. After that you have to purchase it. So let's see the difference between these two editions. With Community edition, you will be provided with limited resources like you will get 2 studios, 3 robots, and a cloud hosted orchestrator. Whereas with the Enterprise edition, you will get unlimited studio and robot and on-premises orchestrator. So if you want to learn and practice UiPath, choose Community edition. Once you click on this button, you will get the next page like this. Here you have to fill in all the details like your name, your email ID, phone number, etc. After filling all the details, you have to click on the Request Community Edition button. After pressing that button, you will get another page that thank you for your request. Next, you will get a link in your email ID. Click that for downloading UiPath. It will download an .exe file on your computer. Once the file gets downloaded completely, you can install it by running the .exe file named uipathstudio.exe. You will get this screen while installation process is going on. It will take some time to get installed. After the completion of installation steps, you will get the following screen. Here we will select the Start Free option to use the free Community Edition. After clicking this, we will get another screen. It will say that you have successfully installed UiPath in your computer. And your UiPath Studio will get started. So this is how your UiPath Studio will look like. That's all in today's session. We will get to know about UiPath Studio in detail in the next session with some hands-on practice. For any query, you can contact to us at support@cognitor.com. Till then, happy automation.